winter chanterelle, or what we call in scientific name Chanterelles tubiformis. If you like to know more about winter chanterelles, then continue to watch this video and I will assure you that you will learn a lot about this mushroom. The other common names of winter chanterelles are trumpet chanterelles, yellow legs, yellow foot, or here in Sweden we call it trattkantareller. The scientific meaning of it is actually Chanterelles comes from the Greek crater, meaning cup. Tubiformis is from the Latin tuba, meaning trumpet, and forma, meaning the appearance of. So a lot of you now watching this will surely want to know more about it. So keep watching and I will tell you things that you never know about these chanterelles. The habitat and the season of these chanterelles. Mycorrhizal with coniferous and deciduous trees, especially pine, fir, spruce, and beech, and fruiting in autumn and winter. So I am actually picking this up now in the month of November, and they usually grow a lot here in Sweden, and I know some other places they also grow. Now I will tell you about the growth and appearance. For those who doesn't know, look at nearly and observe it very well how they look like in reality, because the photos here will really show you. A cap and stem mushroom that often appears in large groups, seems to particularly like mossy forest and bracken. So as you see the areas where I am picking up these chanterelles, you will really see those are the kinds of areas where they love to grow. The thin brown cap has a very wavy edge and is slightly paler at the margin. So you can see some of the mushrooms that are similar to this, but if you look at the under of it, then they are not pale. The color is not pale but rather brown. Those are not the real ones. They can be poisonous. It reaches 2 to 5 centimeters in width and grays with age. It is funnel shaped and often has a hole in its center. But of course, some of them that are still very young chanterelles, they don't have holes in the center. The veins or false gills are yellow when very young and become more pale and gray with age. They are decurrent, wrinkled, and forked and have cross veins too. So look at carefully the ones that you see in this video and you will really know exactly how to identify them when you are in the forest and is interested to start to be picking up winter chanterelles. The yellow stem is 2 to 8 centimeters tall and 0.5 to 1 centimeter wide. It is hollow and usually grouped, giving the appearance of having a pair of legs. It is often swollen at the base. Flesh and the taste and the smell. The flesh is pale yellow to white and does not change color. The smell and taste are mild. And my favorite way of cooking them actually is just having some butter on a heated pan and just put them, just to put a lot, because you will end up not very good because they will produce a lot of water. So when you do it with butter, be sure do not put a lot. If you feel that you love to see a lot more while I'm picking them up, I have a lot of videos more, then continue to watch and until you are getting tired of watching this video. But if you love watching it while I'm picking, continue to watch this, and I will assure you, you will learn. And if later on you want to remember how they look like, just don't forget to watch this video. So subscribe, and you can always come back and watch this video for you to really know how they look like. Continue watching until this video will end.